There's no crab legs ready.
Soft shell crab sandwich up.
Crab cake, it tastes good, fantastic.
Hard shell blue crabs. The Alaskan king crab.
Annapolis crab dip.
Hard blue shell crabs from Maryland.
If you want to come in and come see me, please come crack some crab, make a mess, and come see me here at Crab Corner. We'll have a blast. Thank you.
Hi, I'm David, Crab Corner Southwest. You gotta stop on by. I run the restaurant, I have fun at the restaurant. You're missing out. Full bar, outdoor patio seating, full dining. It's a blast. Come in, have some crabs, enjoy. Crab Corner Southwest, Rainbow 215.
What's up, guys? James Shue back here at Crab Corner Southwest. It is official. It is the grand opening. Come on down if you haven't been yet. 215 in Rainbow, Rainbow and Sunset. We're gonna pig out. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Welcome to Crab Corner Southwest. Crab Corner Southwest grand opening was a huge success and the food was bomb. Just like East location from Mingo and Eastern, the Crab Corner Southwest just as good. 215 in Rainbow, Rainbow and Sunset. No matter what side of town you're on in Las Vegas, you gotta come on out. If this is the first time you've seen Crab Corner, thumbs up for the video, subscribe to our channel, go to YouTube, put anything Crab Corner to see all the amazing food behind Crab Corner. Leave a comment in the description box. Let us know what you thought of the video. And until that next episode, in the description box, find their Facebook and Twitter, and we'll talk to everybody soon.
See you at the crab corner. Let's eat some crabs. Yum.
Hi, I'm Ido.
It's Richard.
It's Jim.
Miriam Gallegos, Serena.
Crab Corner Southwest.
This is Crab Corner Southwest. Crab Corner Southwest.
Crab Corner Southwest.
Crab Corner Southwest.
Rocky, what did the crab say? What's up? Ka 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 ka.
He said come down to Crab Corner.